We're going to look at explain. Again, this is used at National 5 and at higher level, and it is one of the toughest command words to gain the mark for. It's like a describe in many ways, but requires more information. So, what is required of an explain question? For explain, we are describing with an action to show further understanding. So it should be clearly identifying why marks are to be awarded. So, like I described, we need a full description. However, we also then need an impact. And it's good to link your description to that impact by saying because or meaning, this shows, this means that, or as a result. Something to clearly lay out what the impact is of the situation you have described. So a potential example question could be explain the advantage of setting a business up as a partnership. Now again, we see our command word, we see that it's 1 mark, so we're going to need one clear explanation here of why it's an advantage to set up a business as a partnership, one clear description with an impact. So our description, we're going to have to describe the advantage of being a partnership, and we will then finish that off by mentioning what the positive outcome of that could be. So an advantage of setting up as a partnership is the business will have more ideas and skills available through the different partners. So that would be our describe section. To get our explain mark, we would say as a result, the business may be able to meet the needs of different groups of customers. So we've got the clear description of the advantage, extra ideas and skills because there are more partners, and the result being that we can meet the needs of different customer groups. So we would need all of that to get us our explain mark. If you gave this answer for a describe question, there are opportunities sometimes to gain a development mark. So you could potentially gain a development if you gave an answer of this length for a describe question, but you would need the full thing for the explain. Which you need to remember, it's a description with a clear impact at the end.